Let's Build a Little Train by Julia Richardson, illustrated by Ryan O'Rourke. Let's build a little train to chug along the track that goes from here to there and circle round and back. Choo! We'll need a giant warehouse with lots of helping hands. An engineer will manage and supervise commands. Choo-choo! A worker cuts the metal to make the boogie base and weld it all together with goggles on his face. Chugga-choo-choo! The boiler goes above with a box for burning coal. 6 wheels of steel below, hooked to pistons by a pole. Chugga-chugga-choo-choo! A cabin for the driver. A coupling on the rear. A stack for smoke to billow. A cattle catcher here. Choo! Chugga-chugga-choo-choo! It's ready now for painting. The colors make it glow. All finished with the engine. Let's see what it will tow. Choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo. A cart for coal and water to make the train go fast. Cars for hauling cargo. A red caboose is last. Chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo. The driver climbs the ladder and dons her cap of blue. She hollers all aboard and pulls the whistle too. Ooh, ooh. Stoke the fire till it's hot, boiling water in the pot. Steam escapes, pressure grows, pushing pistons. There it goes! Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo.